Today we're gonna grill salmon and asparagus using this weird citrus called the Buddha hand. Don't let it freak you out, it's really good for you and has a nice flavor, and it also smells really good. But I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make marinade using the Buddha hand. First we're gonna prepare the marinade by adding some olive oil to a bowl. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, juice of half a lemon, and we're just gonna slice off thin layers of the Buddha hand from the bottom. You want pieces like this. Use a couple of fingers for this recipe. With the rest of this you can actually make a marmalade or candies, and we're just gonna grate it. This is great to use in all of the recipes that requires lemon zest. And we're gonna add this to the marinade as well. And then we're gonna mix it up. It smells amazing. Now we're gonna use some aluminum foil, and we're just gonna fold in the edges to make a bed for the fish. Just like that. Now we're gonna place the fish in here. Spread the marinade over the fish. So just spread it around with a brush. Actually spread the oil under it too, so it doesn't stick, and it also marinates from the bottom. And now we're gonna decorate the fish with some Buddha hand that we sliced earlier, and it's gonna bake and flavor the fish even more, and it just looks pretty. The rest we're gonna use on the asparagus that we just washed and dried. The asparagus will go directly on the grill. And now we're ready to fire up the grill. Adding some charcoal into the chimney. We soak this paper towel with the oil, light it up just like that, and put the chimney on top. Now we have to wait about half an hour for it to completely get white hot. We're gonna go ahead and empty it out. Now that the grill grates are hot, just coat them with some olive oil to make them a little more non-stick. And now we can go ahead and put the fish right down on the grill. Just slide it like that over the coals. And the asparagus, just place it . smoking a little bit because of all the oil that we put on it, but it's gonna calm down in a second. So now we're gonna cover it and bake it for about 15 minutes. This is medium-high heat. And as you can see, it's smoking a lot, so it's really high heat. So I wanna check back on asparagus and flip it around. See, it's getting there, it's getting brown. Okay, so now we're just gonna take the asparagus off. It's very tender and browned on all sides. It's smelling so good. Looks amazing. About 5 more minutes. It's been about 15 minutes total. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take it off the grill. As you can see, it's cooked through on the inside. If you check right there on the thickest part of the fish. So we're done. We can take it off the grill. Just using a shovel.